friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the business information and Kesaria tour information video I'm going to show you in this video. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe the channel. You can purchase online from your home. You can directly tie up and start clothing business from India as well as international. We are providing you the online services. You can do online purchase, visit purchase also. In this video, this as an information, as you all know, Surat is very familiar place and known place for a clothing industry, clothing manufacturers. Many textile manufacturers are there, and textile, it's like a river, I can say. But when you're purchasing for clothing industry, you have to choose a right manufacturer with multiple benefits, stable manufacturers. So keep watching this video. I'm going to show you the entire Kesaria tour under one roof, what all you can purchase at factory price. How to enter Kesaria? Here is the Millennium Textile Building 1. When you come to Ring Road from railway station, it takes 10 minutes to reach. From airport, it takes 30 minutes to reach. You can take private auto, you can book Ola, Uber services, and the numbers are all on the screen. You can just call. Our executives pickup drop will be there. Kamila Darwaja signal point. Before the signal point, there's a left side. The textile building 1 is there. So let's see how we have to enter Kesaria manufacturers. Let's go. So friends, once you enter Millennium Textile Building 1, there is a P1 lift where you can see the P1 passenger lift is mentioned on the lift, and there will be a lift man, and you can easily ask the Kesaria first floor. You can reach through this lift. When you're coming to Surat and visiting Kesaria by this lift, it will be helpful to reach. So friends, as I said, P1 lift, you can reach first floor Kesaria manufacturers. Once you enter the Kesaria, there will be an entrance. You can leave your slippers, shoes, everything comfortably, and you have to meet the reception executives, where according to your language, your requirement purchase, they'll provide you the sales executives, and you can do shopping according to multiple varieties under one roof. Let's see what all the varieties Kesaria manufacturers is providing you. So friends, as I said, I'm going to show you the varieties of Kesaria manufacturers, what all varieties is giving you the services, and you can also buy from at one place at manufacturing price. I'm at the counter. First section is a printed sarees. Lot of varieties which start from here 65 rupees to 350 rupees. These all varieties of printed daily wear sarees, Poonam sarees collections, chiffon, weightless, turkey, crepe, silk, all these bunches of collections you can purchase here. And here also we do have a fancy printed sarees of collections. Fancy printed sarees also, it starts from 150 to 200 rupees. You can purchase all this fancy official wear sarees you can purchase. And here you can purchase around up to 500 to 600, 700, all varieties. So these are all the fancy printed sarees. And here is a lace border sarees also you can purchase. Printed catalog, if I talk about, 150 rupees you can purchase all this printed lace border sarees. You can have a designer sarees like this, all varieties of designer fancy printed sarees. All sarees you will buy set to set, printed catalog lace border. And here are the beautiful printed lace border sarees. I can say in this designer sarees you'll find out these are all designer sarees. All these are the stock for the according to the season. All this fancy printed lace border sarees. Here you can see the beads work with the printed, you can see here. So all stone work and fancy thread work, multi work, bandhani, and all state varieties you can purchase. And when it comes to business, when you want to start, when you want to invest, you can easily purchase. And if I talk about the next section, this is a rapier silk section, and this section you will find out the all this rapier silk lightweight sarees which start from only 150 rupees. And here all varieties, rapier silk, silk cotton varieties, this border sarees, Kanjivaram pattern, around 800 to 900 rupees of low range rapier silk saree. This is a low range segment, I can say. And if I talk about the next segment, the silk varieties of high-range saris, high-range segments of saris, especially all state, Paithani, Patola, Dharmavaram, Kanjivaram saris, Karnataka saris, Swarovski stonework saris, border saris, Pattu border saris, light settle color with organza base, Banarasi, beautiful Banarasi sari, digital silk sari, Swarovski stonework saris, and Banarasi pattern, the bottle green, the color where you can see the many more options of this soft silk cotton. See exclusive heavy pallu varieties in individual saris you can see here. All the saris are hanging at this pattern. These are the articles. Every day the customers comes and they see according to their state you can purchase. If you want to invest and start a clothing business, you can start from home-based business. You can have an e-commerce platform. You can tie up. You can start a boutique varieties. You can start a shop. You can have a showroom. According to the collections, it's an investment based on investment. You can have your business module and you can tie up with a manufacturer. You have to tie up with the right manufacturer. Next section, this is a designer fancy saris. Designer saris, if I talk about all this lightweight silk, tissue silk, this designer Georgette, Vikitra, all this multi-thread work, stonework, designer cut saris which starts from 200 rupees. If I talk about the highest range, which is 800 to 900 rupees. So the next section, if I talk about the boutique varieties of the designer saris, all varieties of collections from party wear, fancy, traditional, even all exclusive collections you can purchase here. Even the boutique collections, even the ready to wear saris also you can purchase, like Swarovski work, stonework pattern, all this, and even the ready to wear saris also you can purchase. Even these collections are heavy exclusive party wear. Who wants to wear ready to wear saris, you can buy here set to set. So all varieties you can purchase in the saree segment. If I talk about the last saree segment, especially for the cotton sarees manufacture. So cotton sarees, if I talk about, it starts from 95 rupees. Cotton is heavy demanded. We do have a cotton fancy as well as printed varieties. So in this printed sarees, you can purchase cotton sarees which starts from like such exclusive collections from 95 rupees. And if I talk about the highest price here, we do have a with blouse, without blouse. We can purchase up to 1000 rupees. We can purchase all varieties. And if we talk about the cotton fancy sarees, here is the section of cotton sarees, fancy dola cotton, linen cotton, which is very official wear, formal wear, uniformic sarees and designer, such all exclusive varieties, simple and sober. The silver jerry sarees and pink jerry sarees, which is running dola cotton, is very familiar on the floral printed mounting cut border with dark contrasted color. These entire sarees you can see here, the cotton, designer and the fancy work sarees. So if you want to tie up with a clothing business, you want to invest, everyone knows this. Surat is very familiar for the manufacturers. If I talk about the manufacturer, you have to directly know the benefits of the manufacturers, what kind of collections are giving, whatever the quality collections, this and all you have to check and you have to purchase and tie up, and even you have to see the benefits. The nighties, if I talk about the lycras, the demanded collections of nightwears and nighties, we do have a cotton nighties, we do have a lycra pattern. It starts from 75 to 80 rupees, and even we do have a nightwears of top and bottom, t-shirts and pant pattern, 3/4 pattern, and the boutique varieties also you can purchase. Sharara, Garara, ready-made collections you can also purchase. It's under one roof, multiple varieties. No need to worry about the damages. Everyone is having a question in the mind like, how about the damages? What about the quality? How about the services? That's the reason I always say in every video that once you visit and you purchase, you will clear all your doubts, and that's the reason you have to do visit purchases must. As when we go for shopping, we will have many more questions and doubts, right? So the next counter is all about veil collections. Veil collections, if I talk about 90 to 20 rupees, it starts. There's a veil varieties like simple, sober, classy, traditional, fancy, party wear, all varieties of veil collections also you can purchase. And this is a segment, if I talk about the matching section of saris, like running material of the blouse, even the petticoats of the inskirts of the saris, stretchable saris, running material of the designer blouses of the party wear blouses, all varieties, which starts from ready-made blouses 55 rupees. And if I talk about the highest price, 350 to 300, all kind of matching collections you can purchase over here. And if I talk about the next segment, all-time demanded section is the varieties of the designer as well as bridal and semi-bridal and the side wear party wear. And if I talk about this collections, especially these collections are exporting to many countries and many more retailers are tied up with India, especially talk about Surat. Surat is very familiar for all boutique varieties of designer saris. Either you take sari or the lehenga. So here is a lehenga segment. Every one purchase, especially you can also do investment. If you have a bank balance, you want to invest on something, you can make your boutique or the lehenga showroom, you can purchase and you can see a multiple profit, uncountable profit at your business. We start from 450 rupees of side wear party wear, and bridal lehengas we start from only 1000 rupees. Here is a section of the segment of kurti segment. Kurtis which start from our factory price, which is 60 rupees, 70 rupees. And if I talk about the highest price, we do have a 2000 rupees to 3000, all party wear boutique varieties of collections. And here is a segment of three-piece kurta set like top, bottom and dupatta, all designer. I can see the base price which starts from 250 rupees. All this kurta sets. We do have a Alia cut pattern, anarkali pattern. So all long gown pattern varieties, straight cut pattern varieties, most trending collections of ready-made kurta sets also you can purchase. Here you can see a bottom varieties of collections, bottom printed plain, all fancy casual, semi-formals of bottom, plazos, semi-plazos, leggings, jeggings, all this bottom, which starts from only 75 rupees. Here the some activities the customer has purchased here, it's going to the billing. The executive scanner, the scan code, there is a scan code. When you purchase, there is a barcode on this, the scan code. You can also do the live purchase, or when you're sitting from your home, you can do online purchase. And this is the service is going by the quality and the quantity, what kind of collections you have purchased, and everything goes smoothly, the services where we are providing. And this is the segment of the suit material. If we talk about suit material, here are the suit material, all only with printed like georgette, chiffon, cotton, boutique, all which starts from only 140 rupees, highest price 2000 to 3000. Boutique varieties, fancy party wear also you can purchase a suit material segment. The next segment, if I talk about, the next segment is born babies collections, born babies to kids collections, born babies to all 15 years, till 15 years, boy babies and girl babies you can purchase. All varieties, western, casual, daily wear collections also you can purchase. And if I talk about the last section, is handloom collections, where do have a handlooms and bed sheets, single bed sheets, double bed sheets, as well as all these varieties handlooms. And here is a men's section where t-shirts, pant shirt pieces, you can see all ready-made varieties. This also collections you can purchase. I have showed you the entire Kesariya's all varieties under one roof. To start a clothing business, you can also tie up with Kesariya Manufactures. Many more benefits, even online purchase you can do it, offline purchase you can do it. There's no language barrier. We do have an online sales team. We do have an offline visit sales team to interact with you, to coordinate with you. You can do live video calling purchase also. This is the entire segments I've showed you. So friends, hope you enjoyed the products and the segments what all I've showed you from the entire segments. Under one roof, sari, lehenga, kurti, bottom, dupattas, many more segment varieties at factory price you can purchase. So that's why I say in every video, do visit purchase. When we do visit purchase, lot of queries, lot of doubts you can clear, and you can do smoothly online purchase next time onwards. Online shopping you can do, from video calling also you can do. So I've showed you the all segments and completed. Now I'm at present I'm standing here at the billing section. The purchase whatever you're doing, we do have a services of smooth collections of billing segment or billing section. Here the executives are sitting over here, and the collections whatever you purchase, here is the packing, how the packing team is working on those collections. Whatever you purchase, there is a bill format, quantity, collections, products, segment wise, code wise, everything will be detailed bill you can see, and you can see here. This is what the smooth packing, safety and securely pan India plus worldwide. We are providing our transport shipping services. And friends, hopefully this collections you really enjoyed, and this tour video of Kesariya it will be very helpful to you. Visit or offline or online purchase, video calling purchase also, you can do it. And coming to the last part, if I talk about manufacturers, the collections which are getting manufactured and the collections from the warehouse where it is getting stocked, how it's getting maintained, and coming to the shop according to the requirement of the ones, the sales, the moving segments according to the season to season. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you to the warehouse. Part 2 will meet in the Kesaria's warehouse. Keep watching the video. Let's meet. So friends, as I said in part 2, I'm going to take you to the Kesaria Manufacturers warehouse. I'm currently at warehouse. How the stock gets maintained, how the customers' online orders, pre-orders getting segregated and getting billing, and these are the warehouse experience where you can see here the live bunches of loads of collections here they pack, and it will get the Kesaria packing, it will be done. And here are the bunches of collection of all Poonam sarees, printed sarees has come. Customer has purchased, and the stock you can see all bottom varieties, printed nightways of the stock you can see over here. And here you can see all the saree shop opening. Customer has purchased multiple varieties of sarees. The all stock has been got from the first floor, and this will go by cross check, then it will go to billing. So these are all varieties of sarees like printed saree, cotton saree, rapier saree, silk saree, all varieties of sarees. And here is the fancy boutique varieties of sarees you can see here. And here all the bottom varieties of leggings, jeggings, plazos, all the stock has been placed. All the matching varieties, the kids collections, again here the kids collections, and here is the matching collections. Here is the bottom varieties, and these are all entire silk sarees collections. You can see here the box exclusive varieties, and I'm going to show you how the stock is getting maintained from entire data. There is a backend team who takes all production manufacture segments, detailed data, they work in the system. So friends, as I said, I'm going to show you the backend team, how they get maintained the entire segment stock in the system. This is the way our team works out the entire data of individual stock, how it is getting manufactured and coming from the factory production, and these collections, it accordingly moves to the shop. Once the stock is getting moved from the sales, even in the visit purchase or online purchase, the stock goes from the warehouse. This is what the backend team is working at the warehouse. And here is the collections of the bunches of kids collections varieties. This collections also goes to the shop. So MTM, so Kesaria shop, where you can see all these varieties, and this is a warehouse experience I'm showing you. And I'm going to take you to the first floor. Let's see what all these collections stocks are maintaining. So friends, this is the first floor, how the stock is getting maintained. Here also I'm going to show you. Here you can see the bunches of kurti bottom. Here the customer has purchased what it is going to billing. So, and here is all the brocade blouses. The executive is getting the count of the brocade blouses, what all the stock has come from the production. And here you can see the khadi cotton, chanderi cotton, all cotton varieties is getting packed. How the executives are counting and arranging the stock here once it comes from the production. And here it is all the printed loose sarees collections. And these collections are uniformic sarees. These are all uniformic sarees. And if I talk about the bulk quantity, when a customer wants same design, same pattern, same fabric, here is the example of the bulk quantity of uncountable collections. Customer has purchased in yellow, white color with the royal blue color, the navy blue color combination. And here is all varieties of wedding collection boxes you can see here. And here are the kurtis collections. And this is also kurtis varieties. And here the same color bunches of collections of kurti bottom varieties. And here is the donated sarees of printed sarees you can see here. And here is also some silk saree boxes of the stock is getting maintained. And here all are designer boutique fancy sarees of stonework sarees. These are all the collections of printed catalog sarees. Lehengas, designer cider wear lehengas. All these are our lehengas collections. Here all are party wear fancy settle color sarees. And this side we have a one more section here. So you can see all the printed varieties of silk sarees, the warehouse, how it is getting maintained. And these are all the entire Poonam sarees, printed sarees, lace border sarees, handlooms, towels you can see here. And here kalamkari sarees, uniformic border printed sarees, organza based sarees. And here also you can see Poonam varieties of daily wear, dark colors, contrast color saree stock. Here are the Swarovski stonework saree stock. Here is a bunches of catalog printed catalog lace border sarees. So many varieties. The stock is getting maintained in a Kesaria warehouse. So friends, this is a warehouse stock, how is getting maintained, and it moves to the shop, and how you're purchasing in even online purchase, visit purchase, live video calling purchase. You can also do it. You have to tie up with the right manufacturer. Surat, as I said, many manufacturers are there, but the multiple benefits, quality, collections, quantity, services, you have to check in, buy it, and you have to start your clothing business. So this Kesaria tour video will be helpful to you, I believe. Let me know at the comment box what the kind of collections you are looking for. Please share this link with your friends, relatives, with everyone, and subscribe the channel. Let me know at the comment box from which city you are watching the video. Keep supporting. You can do online shopping, offline visit purchase, you can do. You can directly pan India, COD plus international. We are providing safe and securely services. So next video, I'll meet you with many more business informations with new more collections. Till then, keep supporting. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon for the regular updates. Next video, we'll meet soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.